Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix connection issue with your Jabra Elite 5. Okay, so as you can see, in my case they are visible on the available devices list, but I cannot connect them. And after a few moments, okay, there's no even this notification, but as you can see, I'm not connected. So first of all, I can recommend you to restart the Bluetooth settings on your phone. So let's do this right now. And next we have to close this charging case for like a few seconds. Next, open it and remove both earbuds from this charging case. And right now we have to click and hold the left and the right button until indicators starts blinking blue. So take a look how it works. Click on them one more time if they are not working. Okay, as you can see right now they are blinking on the blue, and we have to put them close to our phone and go to the pair new device. Select Jabra from the list, accept pairing request, and as you can see right now we are successfully connected. So that's all for this video, hope you like it.